Here are the top 10 foods every senior should prioritize daily for anti-aging, energy, bones, brain, and longevity. Protein-rich foods. Aim 25 to 30 grams per meal. Why? Prevents muscle loss, keeps you strong and independent. Best: eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken, fish, salmon for omega-3s, beans or lentils, tofu. Example: breakfast, 2 eggs plus spinach. Lunch, grilled chicken salad. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli, 2 cups per day. Why? Vitamins K, C, and folate for bones, immunity, and energy. Tip: sauté with garlic or add to smoothies. Colorful berries, blueberries, strawberries, 1 cup per day. Why? Antioxidants fight brain aging, reduce inflammation. Best: fresh, frozen in yogurt or a snack. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, almonds, chia, a handful daily. Why? Healthy fats for heart and brain, fiber for digestion. Tip: walnuts especially for omega-3s. Fatty fish or plant omega-3s, salmon or sardines 2 weeks, or flax or chia. Why? Protects heart, sharpens memory, reduces joint pain. Whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice instead of white. Why? Steady energy, fiber for gut health and blood sugar control. Dairy or fortified alternatives, yogurt, milk, or plant versions with calcium and D. Why? Bones stay strong. Aim 3 servings daily. Cruciferous veggies, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels. Why? Detox support, cancer-fighting compounds, anti-aging. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, a ½ cup most days. Why? Plant protein and fiber for longevity and gut microbiome. Herbs and spices, turmeric, garlic, ginger. Why? Powerful anti-inflammatories. Add to every meal. Pro tip: follow my plate for older adults. Half your plate veggies or fruits, 1/4 protein, 1/4 grains, plus dairy. Beyond foods, habits make the difference. Protein at every meal builds muscle even in your 80s. Eat earlier dinner, better sleep, less inflammation. Finish by 7 p.m. if possible. Stay hydrated, 6 to 8 glasses water a day. Herbal tea counts. Limit sugar and processed foods, biggest aging accelerator. Add variety, rainbow plate daily for micronutrients. Sample day for a senior: breakfast, oatmeal plus berries plus Greek yogurt plus almonds. Lunch, grilled salmon salad with greens plus olive oil. Snack, an apple plus a handful of walnuts. Dinner, lentil soup plus broccoli plus whole grain bread. Evening, herbal tea plus small yogurt. This pattern supports energy, sleep, and longevity. Biggest mistakes seniors make: skipping breakfast or protein, muscle waste. Fix: always start with protein. Too much tea or biscuits or white bread, nutrient gaps. Fix: swap for whole foods. Not enough veggies, weak immunity. Fix: aim for 5+ servings. Remember, small changes compound. One senior I know started adding berries and protein. In 3 months, more energy, better mood, less meds. You deserve to age powerfully. Strong body, clear mind, time with grandkids. Start with one change today. Add more protein or berries this week. If this helped, like the video. Comment your #1 takeaway below, e.g., adding salmon, and share with someone over 60 who needs this. Subscribe and bell for more evidence-based senior health tips. Next, best exercises for seniors over 70. Thank you for watching. Here's to living your best years. Take care.